Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am your health and life insurance consultant Kajal. In today's video, I will tell you how to make a cashless health insurance claims. But before starting the video, I would like to request all my viewers that please subscribe to my channel, like my video and press the bell icon so that you can get the latest update regarding my new videos. Let's start today's video. Friends, buying a health insurance policy is very important because due to the global pandemic, many people have faced financial issues regarding the hospitalization and treatment of the diseases. So to provide people with some financial aid for the high cost of treatment and to ensure quality treatment at private hospitals, the health insurance providers have come up with health insurance policies of various types, and these policies come packed with features and benefits like hospitalization expenses, medication cost, room rents, ambulance charges, healthcare checkups and etc., which can be availed by the policy holders at different points of time. To avail these benefits, there are different types of claims that can be made according to the choice of the customer. The policy holder can either make cashless claims or they can go for reimbursement claim settlement process. So if you take treatment at one of the network hospitals of the insurer, then you are eligible to file for cashless claim benefits, under which the medical dues are settled by the insurer directly without much effort and hassles. And you can also take treatment at a hospital of your choice and file reimbursement claims, under which you have to clear the medical dues initially and later the amount will be transferred into your bank account. Based on your financial budget and comfort, you can choose the most suitable type of claim settlement process for yourself. Now let's talk about health insurance cashless claim settlement process. Cashless claim settlement for a health insurance policy is made at the network hospital of the health insurance provider. Under this type of claim, the medical dues are directly cleared by the insurer to the hospital without involving you. This makes the whole claim settlement experience smooth, quick and hassle-free, as you do not have to pay a penny from your pocket. A health card is issued by the insurer to the policy holder, which must be shown at the hospital desk to take cashless claim benefits. The type of claim settlement process covers all your hospitalization and medical expenses to take cashless claims. You must inform your insurer or TPA about the hospitalization as soon as possible. Let us look at some of the key features of the cashless claim benefits. It covers both planned and unplanned hospitalization expenses. No claim bonus is provided to the policyholder for not making claims in a policy year. It can only be availed at the network hospital of the insurance provider. Ambulance charges, daycare expenses, domiciliary expenses, free look period are also offered to the customers. Now let's know how to make a cashless claim for a health insurance policy. To make a cashless claim during a medical emergency, so in case of planned hospitalization, inform your insurer or TPA in advance. While in case of unplanned hospitalization, inform your insurer or TPA as early as possible. Get hospitalization in one of the network hospitals of the health insurance company. Show your health card issued by the insurer at the hospital desk for availing cashless claim benefits. Fill the cashless claim settlement process form with all the necessary information and attach all the necessary documents along with the form. Submit the form at the hospital desk and the medical dues will be cleared by the insurer directly with the hospital without involving you. Cashless claim settlement process take less time than any other type of claiming process and are pocket friendly, as the policy holders do not have to pay a penny from their pockets. Any other necessary information regarding the claim process of your purchased policy can be read from the policy terms and conditions mentioned in the policy papers. You can avail any type of claim settlement benefits based on your choices. But in a case of a reimbursement claim, you have to pay the medical dues from your pockets and later the amount is reimbursed into your account. Therefore, you must analyze your choices and requirements before making a decision in such cases related to the insurance policy. So friends, this was a little information about how to make a cashless health insurance claims. If you want to know more about these details, then you can contact me with the help of a number popping up on your screen. You can connect with me through that number. Friends, that's all in today's video. Hope you found the information given in this video really beneficial for you. We will continue to bring you important information related to health and life insurance for you. We want to thank all of you wholeheartedly because of the continuous contribution of you guys. Our channel has reached the family of 13,000 subscribers and 6 lakh viewers. All the people who are connected with us in this journey, stay with us, and if you are new on our channel, then please subscribe to our channel and like my video and press the bell icon and be a part of our family. Thank you for watching our video.